down and then give us your topic and then your name, please.
Good afternoon, school administrator. Good afternoon, school administrator, heads of schools. Good afternoon, school administrator, heads of schools, and panel of judges. My name is Olivia Shepard. I'm here to talk on the topic manufacturing machinery, using the lathe machine as a case study. Manufacturing is the use of labor and mechanization to produce goods for use or sale on a small or large scale. While machinery is an object which uses all its components to make work easier and faster. Put together, manufacturing is the use of objects, components to produce goods and services on a small or large scale. And my case study is going to be on the lathe machine. This is a lathe machine with all its parts. First of all, we have the headstock, which contains the spindle and the main gearing.
Sorry, Anibe, can you place it properly such that everybody can see it visibly? Thank you.
First of all, we have the headstock, which holds the spindle and the main gearing. We have the spindle, which rotates with the workpiece in between it. We have the tailstock, which holds the workpiece in place for avoid shaking and falling. We have tool post, which holds the tool. We have different types of tools. We have the cutting off tool, which is used for grooving and patterning. We have the boring bar, which is used to make holes on the workpiece. And we also have the side tool. Then we have the bed, which holds all the components of this lathe machine together. We have the carriage, which moves the workpiece from side to side. We have the apron, which holds the longitudinal and transverse speed control, which also holds the carriage. And we have the feed selector, which transfers information that this machine needs to work. We have the cross slide, which is used to direct the workpiece from at angles to the bed. We have the 3-key weight chuck, which is used to hold the workpiece in place. We have different types of chucks. This is just an example of a 3-key weight chuck. We have the lathe screw, which is used to hold the workpiece in place. We have the spindle speed, which is used to select how fast the rotation moves. We have the longitudinal and transverse speed control, which directs the workpiece at right angles to the bed. And we have the clutch, which controls the speed, which reduces and increases the speed. In recent years, manufacturing machinery has come a long way since the Industrial Revolution. We have different types of manufacturing machinery, just as the lathe machine I've just seen here. There are different trends in new manufacturing since the Industrial Revolution. Some of these trends are high-speed machinery, which cuts the handling device. The Robot Institution of America defines a robot as a programmable and reprogrammable device which has different components, such as the moving parts, which we have the hand and the wrist, and the brain, which contains the automated guided vehicle machinery, which moves with which has a vehicle on the rail and stops through the use of sensors. The terms we have just a lathe machine, which is our case study, produces things such as we have a bolt and a nut here, we have a single bolt, and we have a pointed end screw. In conclusion, manufacturing is useful in all parts of our economic world, and it must possess such qualities such as it must be technologically acceptable, which it must be tested and trusted, it must be technically viable, it must be easy to manipulate, it must be easy to maintain, and it must be economically viable, which it must be durable and affordable. I cannot end this project without thanking the people who have helped me carry out this research and project work. First of all, to the Almighty God who helped me, who kept me throughout my life in Yabo International School. Secondly, to my parents who helped me and guided me. Also to my teachers, also to the staff of Yabo International Primary School, both the teaching and non-teaching staff for all their support and care. And finally, I would like to thank all my friends who helped me and who kept me on track. Thank you.
Give it up for this boy. Beautiful. Anibe. Wow. Wow. Anibe and Chema. Please sit down. This is beautiful manufacturing machinery. Anibe, this is a brilliant package for Nigeria. This is a brilliant package not only for Dambo International School, not only for Kaduna, because even if you're taught and you're not able to deliver, I mean, learning has not taken place. But you're taught and you're able to make your presentation. Anibe, if given an opportunity to make a machine that will save and rescue this country, what will that machine be?
I'll make a machine that will give people who are unemployed a chance to work and a chance to put in their efforts into something good, because the problem this country is facing is because of unemployment. Yeah, we have people begging on the streets, we have people who steal. So I'll try to make a machine that will help people to put all their effort into something good for this country. I mean, a machine that also will help to improve the problems in this country, so that the electricity.
Great. So what will they be producing?
A machine that will help the electricity of Nigeria to be stable.
To be stable! I can't wait for that machine to come to life. A night without NEPA. Anibe, I'm waiting for you. I can't wait. So please start putting that machine in place. Start dreaming about it, okay? Where you just press the button and there is light, or you don't even press nothing, okay? And the light will just be 24 hours. No generator, no diesel, no inverter, nothing. Give it up for this brilliant boy. Any other question, please?
I think we need more of Anibe in our society. That was a very brilliant presentation. Say well done. The Lord will take you to higher grounds. Yes. I would want to know, Anibe, since you would want to improve our power supply, if you want to set up that machinery that you're thinking of, what do you think you would need?
Because I will need a system which will help, a system of composting. Composting is the burning of raw materials. Composting can also help the problem of pollution and also the problem of power supply. If composting is burning the refuse, which turns some fans which produce electricity, because the electricity in most industrialized countries, they use the composting method. Those are some of the materials that we need.
Very beautiful. You will also need to source for funds. You need money.
Anibe, well done. This plane that crashed on Sunday, what do you think is the problem?
On the news, there were some reports that said that the plane crashed because there were some problems with it that weren't fixed. Because that plane went to Calabar and we had some problems, some gearing problems, but they didn't fix it. So I would like for them to actually make sure things are stable before putting innocent lives on them. Because a lot of people died due to that problem they had. So I would like to tell people to not to risk lives, but to make sure that everything is stable before they